Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the services discussed. In this video, we're taking a look at Santander Bank, accessible online at www.santanderbank.com. Santander Bank is a multinational financial services company offering a wide array of banking products and services to both individuals and businesses. Their website serves as a central hub for accessing information about these offerings, including personal banking options like checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, and auto loans. For businesses, they provide tailored solutions for financing, treasury management, and merchant services. Navigating the Santander Bank website is generally straightforward, allowing users to easily find information on specific products and services. The site typically provides details on interest rates, fees, and eligibility requirements for each offering. Customers can also access online banking through the website, enabling them to manage their accounts, make payments, and track transactions. Furthermore, the website offers resources like financial calculators, educational materials, and contact information for customer support. Depending on your location, Santander Bank may offer specialized products and services tailored to the specific needs of that region. Therefore, exploring the website relevant to your geographic area is crucial for accessing the most accurate and relevant information. It's important to note that my experience with Santander Bank's website may differ from yours. Your individual interactions and the specific services you utilize will shape your overall impression. I encourage you to visit the website yourself and explore the available options to determine if Santander Bank meets your financial needs. Remember, thorough research and comparison shopping are essential when choosing financial products and services. So, take your time, explore the website, and make an informed decision based on your individual circumstances. Don't hesitate to utilize the resources available on the website, such as the FAQ section and customer service contact information, to address any questions you may have.